Hello. Let's draw 2D shapes. A square, a square, circle, circle, triangle, it's a triangle, triangle, a star, a star, heart, heart, pentagon, pentagon. Let's learn some colors: red color, orange color, pink color, brown color, green color, sky blue color, forest green color, purple color, yellow green color, deep yellow color, forest green color, forest green color, forest green color, cool gray color, cool gray color, cool gray color, brick brown color, brick brown color, brick brown color, deep violet color, it's a deep violet color, deep violet color, deep yellow color, it's a deep yellow color, deep yellow color, vermilion color, it's a vermilion color, vermilion color, square, circle, triangle, star, heart, pentagon. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.